Have you ever wondered what your car would look like in another color? Well, stop wondering, because today I'm gonna show you 2 easy ways to change the color of your car in Adobe Photoshop. Option number 1. So I have this picture of my beautiful car. Just kidding, it's not my car. Now I wanna change its color. First, go to the Adjustments panel, and in here, find Hue Saturation. Then click on this hand icon, which is the color picker. Now with this tool selected, you can pick the color you want to change in your canvas. Obviously, that's the color of your car. By clicking the color of your car, you will see a hue selection on the right. You can adjust it and play around to change the color selection. Then by playing around with the hue, you can change the actual color. But as you can see, the color of the other elements in your picture will change as well. And that's something we do not want. Now, to fix this, we're gonna adjust the mask in the adjustment layer. To do this, make sure the adjustment layer is selected. Now in the toolbar, grab the brush tool and make sure the colors are set to black and white. To easily reset this, just press D on your keyboard. By the way, to quickly change between black and white, press X. This will toggle them. Now set the brush color to black and then select all the parts in the picture you don't want to change. By doing this, we are removing the parts of the mask in our adjustment layer. Take care of the details, so zoom in and out, resize the brush tool if necessary. And now you can change the hue and change the color without the background being affected. That looks awesome, but now it's time for option number 2. The second way to change the color of your car is by using a masked out layer of your car. So first we're gonna duplicate the car layer by pressing Ctrl+J on your keyboard. Then rename it to keep everything organized. Now go to the toolbar and grab the Object Selection tool. Then head over to your canvas and draw a selection around your car. When it's selected, simply click the Mask button. Now your car is masked out. Very simple. Now go to the Adjustment panel and in here, choose Hue Saturation. Now, just like we did before, grab the color picker and select the color of your car. But now, as you can see, the background colors are now affected as well. You can fix this by using a clipping mask. Just hold down Alt and click between the adjustment layer and the masked out car layer. Now the adjustment layer will only be applied to the masked out car. If you now adjust the hue, the color of your car will change. I really like my car to be red. Now, next you're gonna learn these 10 tricks in Adobe Photoshop that you definitely need. Thank you so much for watching.